How to become a knowledge YouTuber.
Episode 8.1, 2D Non-Character Animations.
By Philip Shea.
2D animations can be categorized into character and non-character ones. We'll discuss non-character animations in this episode. The creation of animation in a two-dimensional space with the help of digital technology is called digital 2D animation. You don't need to create a digital model. Just draw the graphics. Creating some graphics and animate them to show a certain movement is technically called digital 2D animation. Animated typography. Animated typography or animated typography refers to any type of motion text, such as text that moves slowly, expands, contracts, or deforms into other content. Animated typography has been very popular for many years. From the opening of the movie to the TV commercial, we can see it everywhere. Animated typography is used for 1. Emphasize the meaning of words. 2. To convey emotional information. 3. It may also attract the attention of the audience and influence them greatly. The Mohammed Irfan channel provides classical animation typography. The Inter Ibrahim channel provides hundreds of animated typography examples. Motion graphic animation. Have you seen a rotating logo? That is motion graphics. Or is it a rising or falling graph? This is also motion graphics. This popular type of animation has the unique ability to attract the audience's main sensory input. It can arouse emotions, build more personal connections, increase information retention and improve understanding. Many motion graphics rely on text and graphics to share information. This makes them one of the most powerful storytelling tools for most brands. Advantages. 1. Save cost and time. 2. Unique and charming. 3. Completely shareable. 1. Save cost and time. If we compare motion graphics with other animations and videos, we can say that it is much cheaper and easy to create. Although some other animations are best produced by professionals, motion graphics allow you to easily create animations. 2. Unique and charming. Motion graphics can add elegance to ordinary text or simple advertisements. It makes the video more unique and attractive. This way, viewers can easily retain the information you provide. 3. Completely shareable. Motion graphics are also highly shared. As you may have noticed above, it mainly deals with text and icons. This means that all the information you provide will be displayed on the screen. Therefore, even social media users like to play. There are many motion graphics inspiration playlists on YouTube where you can learn from. Whiteboard animation. Whiteboard animation is known as one of the best types of explainer video animation. This style of minimalist design allows the audience to focus on the content and not be distracted by too many visual effects. White background, black or color drawing in hand, these are the main functions that distinguish this style from other animations. Whiteboard animation is worth using for educational purposes because it can simplify complex messages. This makes it more attractive and entertaining.
Minute of Physics and Minute Earth channels. Minute of Physics is YouTube's educational channel, founded by Henry Reich in 2011. The channel's video uses whiteboard animation to explain physics-related topics in about a minute. The channel breaks down physics-related topics in about 1 to 3 minutes. DIY whiteboard animation can help you transform complex topics related to physics into bite-sized videos with rich content. In 2011, Reich launched a second channel, Minute Earth. This channel has a style similar to his Minute Physics video, focusing on the composition and physical properties and phenomena that occur on Earth. RSA channel. Most other animation channels often rely heavily on basic 2D or cartoon animation to tell stories, but this channel often chooses whiteboard animation. The RSA animation series covers topics in economics, society and even psychology, and its whiteboard animation can easily decompose large amounts of complex information.
We have discussed non-character 2D animations in this episode. The most important 2D animations, however, are character ones, in which we will discuss in the next episode.